Before the video starts, guys, I just wanted to mention that I'm doing a 1 BGL giveaway every single video. All you guys got to do to enter is like the video, subscribe, and turn on post notification bells, comment your girl ID and your world. There will be 2 winners, 50 diamond locks each, and it's simple as that. Also, I stream on the Twitch platform daily, so make sure to come tune in and show some love. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video, boys. Peace.
Yo, come on, let's go really up. Down chillin' with the homies, I don't really go. Got a bad chicken in me, what the f going up? Better bring her up, while you looking like a stab. Put you in a car fight, like, better get the f up. Bought another round, cause we get a f up. I'ma put you in the dirt, cause I ain't gonna find you a bam. Yo, go on, nigga, come on, let's go really up. Yo, come on, let's go really up. I'ma put you in the dirt, come on, let's go really up. Yo, come on, let's go really up. I'ma hit the jerk, come on, let's go really up. Yo, come on, let's go really up. I'ma put you in the dirt, come on, let's go really up. Let's go really I'ma hit the jerk, let's go really on the back, on go. But I just wanna hit the bar, I just wanna be the best, I just wanna get I ain't never trusted anybody else with my love. Yo, I don't go, bitch, I just wanna go. You know I'm on the road, but you're making so much cash, I can't see the flow. Yeah, 0 to 100, you know I'm about to blow. John Cena, you better hide your fucking face. You some motherfucker gays in every place.
If it brings me solitude, I'm drowning into life from you, but I can't breathe without you in my life. I see your eyes all the time. I'm holding on to what's left.
didn't take it. No, no. They left me for dead, I guess they'll never learn. Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. They'll never, never, never learn. Till the battle's won, still kingdom come. Let's do it, loyalty. 'Cause I'm thinking what you see. They'll be calling me, calling me. They'll be calling me royalty. Let's do it, loyalty. 'Cause I'm thinking what you see. They'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me royalty. They'll be calling me The night is young, our memories echo inside me. As time is slowly ticking away, I miss the way that we were in harmony. I'm having trouble letting go. I close my eyes and wish you were closer. Now we're like footprints in the snow, slowly fading until it's over. Our memories won't last forever. I'll love you for eternity. So baby, let's get back together. I'll show you what you need, a symphony. A symphony. It isn't strange that we are still feeling connected. So I propose that we embrace love, hope, and our affection. Nostalgia is crashing down, a bittersweet burning feeling. 'Cause when I start to look around, home isn't the same way you're leaving. Our memories won't last forever. I'll love you for eternity. So baby, let's get back together. I'll show you what you need, a symphony. A symphony. A symphony.
back at me. Stranger in the hall, frozen by the scene. Portrait seemed to fade, he lost his centerpiece. Can't recall his face, I hope he'll rest in peace. Haunted by my mind, victim or the prey. Everything is fine, take me to my grave. Bury me alive, keeping me astray. Hard to say goodbye to who I am today. Everything is fine, take me to my grave. Haunted by my mind, victim or the prey. Everything is fine, take me to my grave. Bury me alive, keeping me astray. Hard to say goodbye to who I am today. Haunted by my mind, victim or the prey. Everything is fine, take me to my grave. Bury me alive, keeping me astray. Hard to say goodbye to who I am today.
Stay awesome, stay sleazy, and I'll catch you beautiful people in the next one.